This is a maneuver that requires lots of skill and intense training. 2 right side up, wingman inverted.
From our left, number 5 and number 6 are approaching in a sequence of wing-overs with leadership exchanges.
Now the remaining speed for turn and a half, moving with wing exchange and current performance slow roll with number 5 in inverted flight. The maneuver known as the pancake. And accelerate to forming double cross with a slow barrel roll. Simultaneous roll and return the normal flight altitude to the inverted. Simultaneous roll back to the upright.
Now they change the formation to a line press and execute a loop with a 90-degree inversion on top. They'll finish this in front of the spectators where they gain height and performance with a hammerhead in formation. Vertical spin, again back to the thickness. Parachute box to the half cubinate with the snap rolls at the top. There's the tail slide, backs the airplane down through its own smoke. Again, change the nose curve, point straight down to regain airspeed with the spin on the vertical down line.
maneuver from the Esquadrilha da Fumaça that is still today in the Guinness Book of Records. It was executed back in 2006 with 12 aircraft at Brazilian Air Force Academy. It's a kind of maneuver that demands lots of training because of the aircraft upside down. The flight commands are inverted. Can you imagine 12 airplanes performing this maneuver? As he sets back down for the half-out salute, he does with rolls on the 45 down. Now rises and finishes with a loop with snap rolls on the top, again pointing the nose of his aircraft towards the squadron. In the low altitude pass performs a 4-point hesitation roll. Then goes up and performs a hammerhead turn. As a gain speed to perform the snap roll.
the squadron in front of us. We're going to go live to the cockpit of Lieutenant Colonel Mora.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. On behalf of the Squadron from Brazilian Air Force, we'd like to dedicate the birthday maneuver to the friendship of the United States of America and our country, Tunisia. Thank you very much.
Dedicated to all the folks here at the Boston Portsmouth Air Show spectators here today, and for the celebration of 100 years of air shows and all of North American people. The members of the Esquadrilha da Fumaça are just people, just like you and I, and they also share the same emotions that surround all of us day by day. Just like any other human being, they have a heart, one that beats, moves through happiness, friendship, sensitivity, and essentially love. These feelings strengthen us more and more. These pilots representing Brazilian people dedicate this maneuver to all those who love life and the art of flying. It's up close and personal, descending rolls. And now number 7 will pull the vertical and perform the regular spin. And now watch number 7 goes a vertical right hand front of the airshow once and performs the tail slide. Now he will be looking to give away as he flies past us, waving, saying thank you to everyone here at the Boston Portsmouth Air Show this weekend. Watch. And the Esquadrilha da Fumaça performs as his last maneuver of the show, the loop in the Delta 6 formation. Now watch as it changes during recovery to the very close tail formation, followed by the dispersion to the Immelman and then to landing. Number 1, Lieutenant Colonel Mora. Number 2, Captain Marcelo. Number 3, Captain Baldwin. Number 4, Captain Reno. Number 5, Captain Masayo. Number 6, Captain Colas. And number 7, Captain Belsky. Airshow performance number 3,387 for our friends from down in Brazil, Esquadrilha da Fumaça. Appreciate the opportunity to showcase the excellence of their products developed by the Brazilian Aeronautical Society. For more information about the Brazilian Air Force, look up their website. Here we go. www.esquadrilhadafumaça.com.br